our next guest sees even more gains. Let's bring in Brent Thill, who's the senior analyst at Jefferies now. So, Brent, I'm curious, where do you see Meta making an upside climb here? Is it on these AI investments?
Yeah, the first leg of this journey, Contessa, was driven on expense savings. The stock's doubled since Zuckerberg took a U-turn on expense. The next leg of the stock's going to come from revenue reacceleration, and that'll happen in the back half of this year. It'll be modest. It's not going to blow your socks off, but it's going to go from single-digit, decel to a single-digit, mid-single to high single-digit growth, and ultimately, a lot of these cost savings will start to kick in, which yields a $12 to $14 earnings story next year, which, again, you just put a high teen, low 20 multiple on it, you're at $240 to $280 on the stock pretty quickly with not a crazy multiple. So the metaverse isn't going to drive this. What's going to drive this is advertisers coming back to the platform, lapping the iOS changes, the re-engagement back with Reels. And ultimately, I think, the upside scenario here is if TikTok does get banned, it's obviously all gravy. We're not embedding that it's going to get banned in the model, but that would also help them as well.
Okay, so your thesis leads me to two follow-up questions here. One is on revenue. Are you assuming then that the advertising environment is easing up a bit, that companies are getting ready to tiptoe back in with advertising? And two, on the expense front, some of that expense cutting has come at capital expenditures, that they're pulling back in on what they're spending there. Could there be a medium to long-term backlash against that kind of moderating of CapEx?
I've said this across tech. Tech was overspending. The pandemic wasn't sustainable. And ultimately, we think overall tech is overspent. So we're just getting back to a more normal environment. And I think A+ to them on making that U-turn. So we don't think this has any impact on that. In terms of your question on advertising, I'd say, look, in the front half of the year, I think it's a tale of two halves. Front half, everyone's still worried about the economy. Advertisers are maybe frozen up. There's some seasonality. But I think as we go into the back half, things will start to open. You've got easier comps, and you've got some of these improvements they've made. So, again, I want to be very clear. Like, this stock has had a huge run up over 70+% year to date. So we're not making a call it's going to straight line from here. What we're saying is it probably taps the air brakes in the short term, but grinds to 250. It's flown to its current point. And so ultimately, I think the call is it's just going to grind from here on advertisers slowly coming back to the platform. And a lot of these changes we talked about are being more optimized throughout the platform. Then layer in all these AI changes over time. You've got, I think, a better story that's not trading at a crazy multiple.
Brent, you brought it up. I was going to ask you whether TikTok's banning is central to your thesis. Clearly, it's not. You said it would be gravy for Meta if it did happen. My question, I guess, is, do you think it's going to happen, number one? And number two, what percentage of the TikTok users might migrate to Instagram, or does Instagram and Meta sort of lack the cool factor, and that there might be some other competitor who would pick up a fair share of those users instead?
As a father of three teenagers, they're all on Snap, and they're all on TikTok, and they're all on Instagram. So they use them.
They use them all. Yeah.
Clearly, they use them all, and they use them for different things. And so I think ultimately, Snap's a messaging tool. They're not influenced by the brands. They use Instagram for high quality pictures and travel, and then they get silly on TikTok like everyone else does. So think about, like, there's a use for all three, but ultimately, I don't think it gets banned. Mm-hmm. Is my view right now, and I think there's a way they can figure it out, the fine line of walking what's good for the consumer and what we have to do around security. So I think they'll find that fine line. What that line is, I don't know exactly, but I think they'll find middle ground. So again, if it does get banned and I'm wrong, then it's obviously going to be great for Snap. It's going to be great for Meta.
All right, Brent, thank you very much. Great to be with you today.